Hi folks, Darren here with SOVA. Wanted to run you through a brief training demonstration of a new feature in our app version that we just released the last couple of days, which is to give you the ability to add lost and found items directly from the mobile app. Prior to this app release, in order to add lost and found, you had to do it from the web app. So this makes it a little bit easier because now all of your mobile officers can secure lost and found items, take pictures, and add those into your system. So we're logged into SOVA here. We're going to go ahead and click the three vertical dots at the top right, and that'll open up the context menu. Scroll down to the context menu and you'll see a new item here called Add Lost and Found. Go ahead and click that. So this brings up a dialog asking us if we're going to add a lost or a found item. So the lost would be if you were on your property and a guest or a visitor of your location came up to you and asked if anybody has turned in something that they've lost while at your property. So you can go ahead and record guest inquiries as well. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and record a found item, as if we found that item. We're going to go ahead and log it into the system. So this opens up a screen that looks like this. This looks familiar to you if you're familiar with the lost and found system. All of these fields are the same as in the web application, so you can do essentially the same on the mobile app now that you can do in the web. So go ahead and select item category. We're going to click cell phone. Under estimated value, we're going to choose this one. Storage location, this shows us the bins that we've previously set up from the web app. So if you don't have any bins showing here and you don't have any item categories, you'll need to set these up previous and go ahead and sync from the web to the mobile. And that'll give you all your information that you have in the web on the mobile device itself. So we're going to select bin 2, give it a description. This is an LG G7. And internal notes, we'll leave that blank for now. Now for picture, we're going to go ahead and capture an image of this guy by clicking the camera or the camera icon here. Now this asks us long press to add an image here. So we'll go ahead and hold our finger down on this placeholder image here, and it brings up a dialog. Take a photo with the camera or pick from gallery. In our case, we're going to go ahead and take a photo from the gallery, or take a photo from the camera. So here is our LG. We'll go ahead and capture that. And we'll go ahead and say that that's fine. So there's our picture. Scroll down here, date we found it. We'll go ahead and say that was yesterday, which was Saturday the 27th of April. And what time? We'll say we found it at, let's say 7 p.m., 1900 hours. So there we go, that's added there. Now under Finder Name, this will default to the logged in username for whoever's logged into the mobile app. So this went ahead and defaulted to my name. You can go ahead and click into this field. You can delete the name that's shown there. You can type in a different person's name as the finder if you'd like to do that. A couple of options next, employee or guest. We'll go ahead and say that the person that found it was an employee, what department they worked in. Let's say they worked at front office. And if not claimed, finder wants the item. We'll go ahead and say no. Now down here under found location, short sentence, so we'll say that this is full deck. Try to be consistent in your locations here. It makes it a lot easier to search later on when you have hundreds and hundreds of items in your inventory. All right, so this is a completed record. We'll go ahead and save that. And that's all there is to it. Lost and found record successfully saved. So in the web now, when you go there, you'll notice a new record saved for lost and found with all the information we just added, including the photo. So that's essentially all there is to it. Very simple. And if you have any questions, let us know. Now, if you don't see that option, add lost and found, that just means that you have an app version that's not updated to the most current, or at least up to version 2.3.2. So go ahead and update, and you will see that option available to you. So thanks a lot. If you got any questions, let us know, and we'll talk to you soon.